Hi guys, this is Avdoot here. I lead growth for Netcore. Across different interactions that we've had with marketers, growth managers, product managers from different geographies, we've realized that mobile app uninstalls is one of the biggest challenges faced by most of the mobile app brands. Day 30 retention is as low as 40 to 42% for most of the brands, which basically means about 60% of your users are churning out within 30 days of their relationship with the brand. And that is a lot of waste of money and time. And to solve this problem, we have two amazing growth hacks which will help you increase your overall mobile app retentions by at least 12 to 15%. The first growth hack is where you actually figure out why users are uninstalling your mobile app. And this is where the correlation framework actually helps you figure out the exact reason. It actually correlates all events that the uninstalled users have done and then gives you a specific outcome which could be the possible reason for the uninstall to happen. It also factors in vulnerable or negative events and at the same time the number of notifications the user would have received before it derives the exact reason for the uninstall to happen. Like you can see on the graph, the more the number of times the vulnerable event happens, the higher the chances of uninstall. At the same time, the more the number of activations the user goes through, the higher the chances of user retaining the mobile app. Correlation framework has helped a lot of brands get some real amazing insights. Like for an e-commerce brand, we actually found out that a big reason for uninstalls was the coupon code not working as expected. The same way, for a social dating app, we actually found out that women users were uninstalling the app on day 0 because they were receiving too many friend requests from their male counterparts. And for a social platform, we found out that if a user dislikes abusive content more than 3 times, he is likely to uninstall the app. In the same way, for a ride-hailing app, we figured out that a new user who does not find the ride in the first attempt tends to uninstall the app immediately. These insights are a goldmine to any app-first marketer. And the best part is we don't stop on just giving insights. We also help you take actions on it. And these actions are not just in the form of notifications or in-app messages, but also in the form of contextual walkthroughs. This gets me to the second growth hack, which is contextual walkthroughs. Contextual walkthroughs are nothing but simple in-app messages connected to each other, which guide the user inside the mobile app. And the interesting part is they come with very innovative content forms like coach marks, animations, and many other formats. Basis the insight that we get from the correlation framework, you can take corrective actions using these walkthroughs. Like we spoke about in the dating app, where female users were uninstalling the app on day 0 because of multiple friend requests, the action we took was where we set up a contextual walkthrough to help them set the number of friend requests that they can receive in a particular day. So they could set a limit, which led to an increase in the retention of women users by about 45% on the dating app. The same way, for a ride-hailing app, we actually set up a walkthrough to people who were cancelling the ride, and we got them to auto-confirm the ride, which was a feature already available in the app, which led to week 1 uninstalls going down from 26% to 1%. While walkthroughs play a major role when it comes to app retention, they also play a very vital role when it comes to increasing product adoption. Like in case of Netflix, They launched a wonderful feature where they would auto delete the downloaded videos that I have, which I've already watched. But the fact that it took me a month to actually explore that feature, they could have actually easily set up a walkthrough to all their paid subscribers talking about this feature. So guys, these were the 2 growth hacks which we think can help you increase your overall app retentions and product adoption by easily 10 to 15%. And if you guys want to make it happen for your mobile app, do drop in a comment or write to us and we will make sure that we make it happen for you. Thank you guys.